Once again, this is Marijon Igot from AMA University. This is our part 2 of our course project, wherein we are tasked to create a simple tutorial video on how to create a website. So let's start. Okay, let's begin. The first thing we have to do is to open our get bash, like this one here. So let's make this big and adjust the font so we can read it easily. Okay, then we are going to change directory first. We're going to go to the directory, this one. So since we are now in the D directory, we can now make our folder. So we'll make a folder. We'll command mkey there, and then the folder name, let's say ITE6200, then project 2 or project 2. Then enter. And then we will go to that directory, that project folder, cd, and ITE6200 project 2. Then hit enter. Okay, so we are now in this folder. Okay, we will minimize this one first, and then we will open our Sublime text editor, this one. So we will find that folder. So file, then open folder. So in D, so this one. So this is the folder that we have just created. So then select this folder. So this one. After selecting the folder, so we are now going to create 3 files: our index.html, our CSS, the style.css, and the script.js. So we can create by right clicking this one here, this folder, and then new file. So see this one, and then we will rename this file by saving it. So click save. Then here, so we'll name this file as index.html. So this one, and then save. See? So another file, we'll create the second file, new file, and then save. And this is for style.css. So and then click save. Okay, so we have now the style.css. So let's proceed with the last file. So new file, then click save here, and then this is for script.js. Then click save. So that's it. We now have the 3 files needed for this project. So let's minimize this one again, and let's go back to our get bash for our initialization of our repository. So first, so I think we are now in this in the ITE62 project 2 folder. So since we are in that folder, we are going to command get init to initialize. So this is our first initialization. So initialize empty get repository on the get. Now let us find the status first. So git status. So no comments yet on track files. Okay, so this is now the files that we are going to commit this one. So we'll add this file. So get, add, and then first is the index.html. See, and then click enter. So it's now being added. And then next is get add, and then our style.css. Okay, it is now added. And then the last one is get add, and then the script.js. Okay, then click enter. So we are now finished with our first initialization on our repository. So let's proceed in creating our website. So let's minimize this one first. So I think we have to know first our status. It's status. So see, so there the new file is now added to our repository. Okay, so let's minimize this first, and let's go to our let's call this one the Sublime text editor. So I have prepared our content here. So this is our title. So this is what it will look like. So this is the content, and this is the, I think we will make this as an H1, and then we have 1, 2, 3 paragraphs, and I also plan to have 3 div. So we will be gonna using 3 divisions. So div, like this one, this is the first div. Oops. So this will be our first div from here to here. So, and then for our second div, here to here. And for the last div, this is our comment box. Okay. So first, we are going to make our skeleton or our structure for our index.html. So here. So let's now begin. Okay. Of course, we are going to type. Oops. The doc type HTML. Okay, and then what? Again, our language HTML, and then EN or for English. Then we will create now our HTML. See. So as I've said earlier, we're going to make a division. So inside the body. So I think we'll make the head here. Head. I mean the div. There. This one. Then we will just move this one. I think the body. No, just the head first, like that. Okay, in this one. And what about proper indentation? Then we have the title here. So our title will be the artificial intelligence. This one. So we'll just copy this one here. Like that. So and then we will make another div. So here, then another one. So 1, 2, 3 divs. Okay. Then I think the div should be inside our body. Okay. So here's the body. Okay, this one. So it should be here. Okay. Much better. Okay. So inside our body, I'm going to create a class here for our heading. So then we're going to insert here our image. So I forgot to insert our image, this one here. So we'll put that on our project folder. So this one, see? So since we already have our image inside that folder, so let's see, it appears here. Okay, so now we're going to make an image. So img, and then its source should be dot slash, and the name of the image is the artificial intelligence.jpg, this one. Artificial intelligence that jpg that slash artificial intelligence that jpg. Okay, so after the headings, I think artificial intelligence. So let's create this one, the H1, and then followed by the paragraph. So let's create an H1 here. Oops. So H1, then our title, same as this one. So Control C, and then say this one, and then we will create a paragraph here, and by my name, Marijon Igot. Okay, so this is our first, yeah, the second dev. So we will now create our second dev. Oops, sorry. So this is the first dev, the second dev, and then the third dev is our content. So we will create this title here. We will make it H2. So H2. But first, let's make another class here. So we'll call this one, so since this is for our content, so we'll call this one content, then paragraph, like that. See? Content paragraph. Now for our H2, so this is what is EI. So let's just copy this one and then paste here. Okay. So for our paragraph, so how many paragraphs? 1, 2, 3. So we have to create 3 paragraphs. So P, oops, then another P here, and another P here. So that. Okay, so we'll just copy this first paragraph here. Then we place it here. See, much better. And then for the next paragraph, let's copy it here and paste. Just make a space so our code will be readable. So for the last paragraph, just copy this one, Control C, and paste. So that's it. So this is for our paragraphs, 3 paragraphs. And I think this one here, let's see. We'll make this one strong. This one. Put a strong tag. Here. See, strong. Okay, so next, we're going to what about next is this one for learn more. So we have to make an anchor. So because this is one is for our anchor. So let's create an anchor here after this paragraph. Okay, and then we will copy for the site, for the Wikipedia, this one, because we're going to direct it to this website, Wikipedia. So let's copy and then paste the value inside this attribute here. So one, and we'll name it learn more. Just learn more. Okay. So next, I mean this one. Okay, so we have already finished this one. So next to our another dev. So we'll create this whole thing here. So examples of AI technology. So I think, we'll make this as an H2. Okay, so wait. I think this is all part in one dev. So I think this is all part. So no need to create another dev. Okay, let's go. So we'll just insert it here after this one here. Okay. Okay. So H2 again. I think this one. Examples of AI technology. So we'll copy this one and we'll create another H2. So paste, then we'll make so this is and this is ordered list. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ordered list. So let's create first an ordered list. So OL. So how many lists? 4. Yes, 4. So 4, we're going to create a list here. Li. So make it 4. Li. Li. Then another Li. Okay, so now we have the 4 Li. So we'll put the content. So number 1 is the machine learning. Machine learning here. So next is we have the natural language processing. So next is robotics. So the last one is the computer vision. Okay. H1. So and then inside the machine learning, we also have another, what you call this one, unordered list. So see, this is bullet type, so this is unordered list. So we'll make that one inside here. So make UL for unordered list. And then inside the unordered list, we also have another list. So 3 Li. So 3 Li's. Okay. So then we will copy the content here, Control B, and then this one. Oh, what's that? See, and the last one is reinforcement learning. See? Okay. And after that, let's see. We have the learn more. Okay, this one. So we'll make another anchor tag here. So after this OL here. So we'll make A, and then we will copy the second reference here, this one, 4 gigs, and then put it here. Okay, and this is learn more. Okay, so after that we are going to I think create this comment box for our comment box here. So this time we need to make another div for this one. So how many div do we have now? So 1 here, and then 2. So this is the last one, so 3. So we'll make another div here. Okay. And inside this div, we're going to create this time an ID. So, and let's name it. So since this is for comments, so let's name it comments. So our ID is comments. So comments like that. So then for our, I think this is a blank. No, not comments. I think it's because this is for the box. So let's change it for comment box. So this is not for comments yet. Okay. And we're going to create, I think, function. Okay, so let's create the text area tag. So text. Okay, this is this one. So text area tag. And then we will create another ID here. ID, and we call this one user, then comment. So and then we'll make another attribute. Let's say the placeholder. Okay, we'll use this placeholder for our comment. So value leave a comment. So this is the value, so that this will be printed there inside the comment box. Leave a comment. And then what next is we'll make a button. So button for submission of the comment. So we'll make a button, and then we will make a, what you call this one, on click. So on click, on click attribute, and then let's say the value, because later on we will make a function, so let's add that function here. So later on we will create this function and on our script.js. So I think submit comment function. Then so this is our text area, and then submit. Okay, that's it. And I think we're going to make another dev for the comment section. I mean for the placement of the comments that entered by the user. So we'll make another dev here, and we'll make an ID. Let's say, yes, this one, this time is the comments. So I mean comments, okay, like so. So meaning just this is where so this is to display user comments here. Oops. Then so meaning the comments of the user will go here. So in this dev. Okay. Then we're going to add the script.js. I think here before the body, the closing body tag. So I think script. So script, text JavaScript, and then I think we will not use type attribute but source. So we'll use source. So it's RC, and then this one will be script.js. Script.js. Okay. So and we also link this style.css here. Okay. Add this one. So I think here after the title we can link our style.css here. So length href, so text.style sheet. So I think our href is style.css, or is where's the position of style.css? Style.css, this one. So meaning, so that slash style.css, this one. See? So let's check, and so we are done this one, and let's proceed with our footer. So let's create a footer outside the body here. Body. Why the body? Sorry. So the body should be adjust. We will adjust this first so we can have a clear picture of what's going on with our codes. So this one is okay. What about so this is it. Body. Okay. So we will create another div here for our footer. No, I mean, let's create a footer, and inside the footer, we're going to create a div. So this one, footer, and then we'll create a div. So inside this, we're going to copy those texts in order to create the all right reserve. This one. Let's make a paragraph first. So okay. Much better. This one. Okay, so I think we have initially finished this index.html here. So we need to see it in real action. So we need to see this code on our web browser. So first we need to save the file first. So Control S. So now we need to right click and then open in web browser, this one. So open, see, this is an initial outcome of our project now, since we don't have a styling yet. So see, okay, so let's proceed with the styling of our website. So let's go to our code, and then we will proceed in our style.css. Okay, so first we're going to style our body first. So this is our selector body, and then as you can see here, there's no color of our background, so we will change it. Background, I think this one, background color, and then we will use sky blue. Okay, and then save. So I want to check if the color changes. So and then we have to refresh this page here. Now see, so meaning our CSS are already our CSS is already linked with our HTML. So because we can see the changes. Okay, so now we have the blue background. So let's proceed with another style, and next we're going to style our headings, or yes, the H1 here, this one, each one, this one. So we'll style that one, and so each one, then we're going to, as you can see, artificial intelligence. So this is not I want this one to be an uppercase letters, I mean. So we'll change that one. So uppercase, so text, and then we're going to transform. Where's that? Text transform, and then uppercase. See, save, and right here. See, now this is now all capital letters. See, uppercase. Okay, let's proceed with another one. I think I'm going also to change the font size. So font size, let's just put 3 REM 1. Okay, and next we're going to adjust this image here, or style this image. So for the image is img, then read 100%. Border is, let's say 5px, and that's solid, and then dark blue. So let's say it a dark blue. So next, we're going to style the heading. So we'll choose that heading. I think we use the class here of our heading. See this one, class heading. So for our headings, this one. So we use this class. So we're going to align the content. Yes, align the content, and then center. And we're going to have a width, which is, I think, 50%. So this is very big, very huge picture, so we have to adjust this. We'll be using for only a 50%, so to make it smaller. So with 50%, we'll use 50%, like that. Then about its margin from the left. So margin left is, I think, 25%. And then margin right, I mean margin top. So top is 5% only. We use 5%, and then after the margin, we are going to align the text. So text align, this one, then in the center. So what about the font? So font family. So for this one, we're going to use the font from Google. So example, this one, and Libre Baskerville. So, and after that, serif for our backup, this one. Okay, so in order to take effect, this one will take effect on our text. So we need to get this one from Google Font, because I think this is not from the library. So we will now go to Google Font. So type Google Font, Google that font, I think. Oh no, google.com/fonts. Okay, this one. So we will search Libre Baskerville. So this one. So Libre Baskerville. So we will use this one. So we'll get the font here and get embed code. So we'll get the code here. So we will copy all the link here, this one. So copy, and then we will paste this one here in our index HTML inside this head. So this here. So we'll paste here. See? Okay. So now let's check. So as you can see, the font, this is the font. So now we're going to save here, and then let's say if that font will change to the what you call that, Libre Baskerville. Save. So we'll save here first, and then look at this one. Then we will refresh. Nothing happens. Why? Sorry. We did not save the style.css first. So save, Control S. And then let's go back to the browser and then refresh. See, the artificial intelligence font is now changed. Okay, so our first here is now in the center. See, so let's proceed with another styling. So this is for the font family. Now let's proceed with the color of the text. So color. Color. So color of the text. I prepare black. Look, this is already black. So it's okay. I think no need because it's already all black. Okay, so no need for that. So let's proceed with another styling. So let's proceed here with our content paragraph. Okay, and this one here. This one, content paragraph. So we will use the class. The class. So let's save it. So class, so that call the one content paragraph. Content paragraph. Then first we have the margin. I think 10px. And then the margin right. Margin then right. So where is margin right? This one. Should be also 10px. So the margin for the content should be 10px here. So I think the 10px is very small. So let's change this one. No, this is not px but percent. So we'll be utilizing 10% from example from 10% here, and then from right also 10%. So next we'll align the text. So text align, of course, from left. Next is we have our font size. So our font size is 25px. So next, our weight, font weight. This is the font weight. This would be, let's 500p. Just 500. And then for our family, font family. So we'll use the Courier. I think this one. Courier new. And our backup is Courier. Courier, and then the monospace. Okay, that's good. Oh, one more there. Monospace, yes. Okay. And we should apply also padding the bottom. Okay, so padding bottom for text, say 30px. Yes, 30px. Okay, so let's see what will happen with this code. So Control X. Then let's see here. See? Okay. So much better. Okay, so let's proceed with the, I think, to our comment section. But before that, I want this one. Uh, I'm going to change this color for this one and also this one. So let's make it blue. So since that is an anchor, so we'll use, oops, sorry, we'll use an A for an anchor tag, and then color, we will override the color. So more light color, so blue, everything. So blue. So then save. Now let's check what happened. See? And let's check for this anchor. Learn more. See? So when you click the learn more, you will be directed to Wikipedia website. And in order for us to go back to our page, so you need to click back here, this one. Okay, so I need to change other method for this because I don't like when you click this one and then we will be directed to another page and then we have to click back here. So I want that when you click here, another tab will appear here. So I want that kind of method. And so in order for that to effect, so we need to change, we need to add or change our code here. So in our e tag, in our anchor tag. So we need to add an attribute here, which is the target. Yes, this one, target, and then we will put blank, underscore, then blank. Okay. So, and also this one here. So we'll add target attribute, and then the value is this one, the blank. Okay, then we save. Now let's see. So if, okay, we will close this one first. So when you click learn more, look what happened. See, oops, it did not. Why? Let's check our code first. This is correct. Yes, this is correct. So what happened to our anchor tag? Where's the other one? The first anchor tag, this one. Target blank. This is correct. This is also correct. Then why? Let's refresh first. I forgot to refresh, sorry. Learn more, then click here. So let's try this one. Click here, learn more. See? So another tab open just for this website. Okay, and our tab is here. See, you can change, and if you click this one also, it will open another tab here. So learn more. See, so there are now two tabs here. So this is from Geeks for Geek, and this one is from Wikipedia. Okay, so let's close this one. So this is now okay, and let's proceed with our comment box for styling our comment box. So let's see first our comments. This one. So we need to use this ID. So ID for our comment box. Oops. So ID. So hashtag, and then I think comment box is not an ID. Wait. Yes, this is not ID. Oh no. We can also change this one to class. No problem. Okay. Because we are using ID here in the next part. So let's just change it for a class. Then we will use that comment box. Am I right? Comment box. Yes, comment box. Okay. So then going to for its width, I think 300 px, and padding. So this is, we will use an overall padding. So from bottom, left, right. So I think 10 px. And border, border, and then I think 2 px. And then it is solid. And the color, what color? White or beige? This one beige. And let's say this one. Let's try this one beige. Okay. And then next is the radius, border radius. Border radius one. So border radius, let's say 5 px. And then the background color. This background color is let's try this color, this one, this. Also we have the margin. Don't forget the margin. So align that to the left, margin left, and then we have 10, just like the other one. So for alignment, so 10%. So margin, the bottom. So margin bottom, I think just use 40 px. Okay, so let's see what happened now to our, and refresh. See, we now have a beautiful comment section. See, and we'll now proceed to comment area, I think. Uh, 300. Okay, and what about, so the comment box text area, this one, comment box text area, this one. So we will use this ID, I think, or no, this class comment box, so that comment box also. Yes, we're going to use the class and also the text area. Where's the text area? Text area tag. So this is a combination. This is a combination, so that comment box. Then we also have the text area. Yes, that's the text area. This one here, text area. Yes. Text area. So the width is 100%. Yes. Let's try 100%. And the height should be height should be 100, but this time it's px, and also resize. Yes, so it will not change, so let's put it on none. Oops. Okay, so save. Let's find out what changes. Okay, so this is now a little bigger than before. Okay, and then we'll proceed with the comments area. So the comments area, we're going to get the ID for the comments. Okay, so meaning ID, we have to use the hashtag and then comments. And what about the margin? So margin left is 10px. We use 10px, and then margin bottom, just like the other, is 40px. Margin bottom. So we'll use 40px. Next we have, so margin right. Margin right, we will use let's put margin right. So from here to here, this is just about right for the comments to appear here. So 70%, I think, from here to here. So let's try 70%. Okay. So Control S. So so we cannot use this one first because we don't have a function yet for our script.js for our JavaScript. So we will test this one after we have created a script.js. Okay, so let's proceed with our footer. I think this one here, footer. Okay, so footer, then text align. So we'll align that, of course, in the center. And then the background color. So what's the color? Background color for here. So the background, okay, I want this color dark. This one dark cyan. Okay, cyan or cyan. And then for the padding, we'll use 30px for this one. Okay, let's save. And let's try. Okay, so our website now looks beautiful. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed with our script.js. This one here. So we'll create a code for that function, for that box, for that comment box. Okay, so we'll create a function. So function. What did we use? Function. This one. Subcomment function. So we'll see. Subcomment, yes. Subcomment function. And then for our black code, we'll declare constant, then our variable comment is equal to, of course, the document that get element by ID. So this is also function. So inside we will use user comment, this one, because this is what we refer to, the ID, the user comment. So Control C, and then paste. But we need to enclose this one with one, and then that value, of course. Then we don't forget the semicolon. So this is enter. Next, we're going to make an if statement. So if, then our condition, if comment, create comment that trim function is I think it's is not equal to this one blank, just blank. Let's proceed to display this this content. So we have to display comment. This is also a function, display comment function. So then argument, this is comment. Semicolon. So then we need to clear the input of the user after submitting their comments. So how to do that? So clear input function. Oops, sorry. So this one to clear, let's comment. So to clear the input field after submission. Okay. Next. Okay, so we're going to make another function here. So function, oops, display comment. Comment. Then we will make another variable. So cons comment, if comment container is equals to document that get ID by get element by ID, and then the comment. So then we put semicolon. Then we also make another variable. So cons, this is a constant variable, comment element, is equals to document that this time will use the create element create element that of course where for the argument here is we use the div. Then comment element. So comment element that text, text the text content is equals to comment. So here we initialize this one. Here is equal to comment. Okay. And comment that container. So comment container, this one, that append child. So I think this is for comment element. This one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's next? Okay. So next is make another one here, function. This is to clear the input. Okay, so function clear input. Yes, this one. So clear input function, and so document that get element by ID, and of course the user comment. This one, yes, user comment, and that value is equal to this one, blank. That's it. So this is to clear the input field. So as I've said earlier, to clear the input field after submitting their comments. Okay. So what's this? Okay. So let's save and let's check. So let us check our work. So this one. So again, refresh. So let's try to comment here. This is my first comment. So if we're going to submit this one. Oops, this not working. What happened to my code? Let's check, second check. Okay, let's find out what happened to our code, or what's wrong with our code. So we will take a look one by one. So so this one here, function. So this is not function. See, the spelling is not correct. So we will correct this one. So function. See. Okay. And what else? So comment. I think this is not comment here. This is ID. This is ID. So wait. Yes. So the ID is not comment but comments. So like this one. So we will add S to this one here. So S, and what else? Function clear input. Aha, this one. So we'll open and close parentheses. Okay, I think that's all. So save, and then we'll check again. So refresh. So we'll comment. So this is my first comment. So submit. Oops. This paragraph here or this comment should align here. So I think the margin is not working. So let's find out with our code. I think it's in the style SCSS. So margin of our comments, this one. Aha. So our margin left is only 10px, so this should not be 10px but percent. So just like the other one here, it's 10%. See? This one, 10%. So to align that, this one, so we need to change this to percent. Sorry for this. Okay, so let's troubleshoot if there's a problem. So 10%, and then save. Let's find out again. So let's refresh. So this is my first comment, and submit. See, it's now working. And then no more text here if we submit. So this is my second comment. So submit. Okay, so this is my third comment. Submit. That's it. But I forgot that this one here, the submit button, I want this one when you hover this mouse pointer here, this mouse pointer will change to a hand image. So I like that thing, so I will apply also that here. So let's check to our code. I think it's for the call this one. Do we have a button? Where's the button? Okay, this one. So button. Okay, so I think again, button is for the div class comment box here. So we'll go to class that comment box, this one. I know this is the text area. So this one. So I'm gonna I'm gonna button holder, or I'll use another one. Okay, now let's make another comment box class here. Comment that box, and then button and hover. So the let's put margin first. Margin at the, I think, top. Yes, 10px. And then the cursor. The cursor is pointer. Okay. So save. Then let's check again. Let's check if it's working or not. So hover, see the mouse pointer will change to hand. This one, see. So comment, hello world. Then submit this one. See, there is an action, submit. Okay. So I think that's all for today, and thank you for watching this long video. Thank you very much. So once again, my name is Marijon Igot. So thank you very much, and bye-bye.